Take two. Scene two, rather. Wait, I need to switch mask to green screen. Hold on. Daisy, why is there a black hole in our backyard? Maybe I need to be a little bit further away for that to work. Hmm. Daisy, why is there a black hole in our backyard? Maybe something like that. Hmm. It's like, it's like, uh, would that be plausible? Okay. Scene two, rather. Daisy, why is there a black hole in our backyard? Okay, what did I say next? Let's do a little bit kind of improv, not too serious chat. Wasn't me. Yeah, it's okay. All right. Then okay, let's go to camera two, pin two. Be like, all right, this song is a banger, but maybe I just bit too loud. Nope. Oh, shit, shoot, shoot. I didn't mean to time out Argus. Misclick, misinput, misinput. This is why I need to be more careful.